Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can watch USA news channels on your IPTV subscription. But before we start the video, you must have IPTV subscription, and if you are confused how you can buy IPTV subscription, then visit IPTV Trend and Extreme HD IPTV website. These both sites provide best subscription in the market. So let's go ahead and set up your IPTV subscription on IPTV Simulator Pro application. So in the Firestick home screen, what you have to do, you need to hold remote home button for a few seconds, slide over and click on apps, and here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. So slide over and highlight IPTV Simulator Pro application. As you can see, I already highlighted this application, so launch it. When you launch IPTV Simulator Pro application first time, this dialog box appear on your screen, so click on Accept Terms of Use. And guys, this is the home screen of IPTV Simulator Pro application. So when you purchase IPTV subscription, they send you username, password and portal URL like this. And this username, password and portal URL you have to type in login with Extreme Code API section. So let's click on that. Now type here your username, password and portal URL. After typing username, password and portal URL, then click on add user. And after a few seconds, you will see this user has been added. So let's click on that. Now it will take 2-3 minutes depending on your internet connection. And guys, as you can see, I log in my IPTV subscription on IPTV Simulator Pro application. Now here, if you want to watch USA football channels, then click on live TV section. And guys, as you can see, I log in my IPTV subscription on IPTV Simulator Pro application. Now here, if you want to watch USA news channels, then click on live TV section. Wait for a few seconds. So here you can see all live TV channels category. So we are looking for here you can see all live TV channels category. Now we are looking here USA News. So slide down and click on that. And guys, now here you can watch all USA News channels. So you can use this method to watch USA channels on your Amazon Fire TV device. And I hope this video is real for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.